How to change your profile picture on Alibaba. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile picture on Alibaba.com. First thing, go to Alibaba. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to down here my Alibaba option, and now click on your name here or your profile picture like this, and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will be able to change your profile picture just by clicking on those three dots and click allow and choose a photo from your gallery. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.